We've done the research so you don't have to. We found the best TV mount for nearly everyone, even for above the fireplace. Meet the MantleMount MM540 Enhanced Pull-Out Mount. Check this out. This mount can hold a TV up to 90 pounds. It features a 29-inch vertical travel distance, 8-degree adjustable tilt, which is enough for most sizes of TV, and 35-degree swivel each way, or if you want 60 degrees one way, which I've done here. And it's the little touches that really separate it from the competition. You can adjust the tension for the weight of the set, and if you have, say, a big mantle, you can set up a stop position for vertical position as well as swivel position. I love the paintable covers that go over top of the mount as well. One thing that many fans of this mount love is the optional soundbar attachment. Many of us need soundbars as the speakers in the TVs nowadays aren't that great. Another little perk is the heat sensor under the mount that turns red when it's over 110 degrees, warning you against your precious tech overheating from your fireplace. There is one con though. If your TV is smaller than 44 inches, this mount isn't ideal, but you know, I'd look at that as an opportunity to get a bigger TV. There's no point in going cheap on a television mount if you spend big bucks on your TV. The MantleMount MM540 is sturdy, flexible, and fantastic, and I love that it can bring the TV down to eye level so you don't get the strain when you're watching your favorite shows.